Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Incredible Maths. In this video we solve a problem asked in CSIR NET December 2023 Part C Real Analysis. The question ID 704066. This question is related to finding the convergence of the given improper integrals I lambda and k lambda. So the convergence of these integrals depends on the real number lambda. Therefore, we can consider the different cases for the real number lambda. So the real number lambda can be 0, negative or positive. So first we will consider the case when lambda is equal to 0. So we will have I0 is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx by 1 minus x power 0, and k0 is equal to integral 1 to infinity dx by x power 0. So here we will get integral 1 to infinity dx, so this is equal to x 1 to infinity, so this is equal to infinity. This is not finite, and here it is integral 0 to 1 dx, so this is equal to x 0 to 1, so this is equal to 1, so this is finite value. So the conclusion for lambda equal to 0 is, for lambda equal to 0, I lambda is convergent but k lambda is divergent or not convergent. So therefore, the first option, the Rx is lambda such that I lambda converges but k lambda does not converges, is true. Now, we will consider the case for lambda equal to minus 1. So we have I minus 1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 minus x power minus 1. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus x dx. So this will be finite. So integration will be x square, x minus x square by 2. So the limit is 0 to 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. The answer will be 1 by 2. So this is equal to finite. So similarly we will find k minus 1 is equal to integral 1 to infinity dx by x power minus 1. So this is equal to integral 1 to infinity x dx. So this is equal to x square by 2 1 to infinity. So this is equal to infinity. This is not finite. So the conclusion is, for lambda is equal to minus 1, for lambda equal to minus 1, I lambda is convergent but k lambda is divergent, or we can say not convergent. The same result holds. So for lambda is equal to 0, minus 1, the same thing. Now we will see for lambda is equal to minus 2. So for lambda is equal to minus 2, the same thing continues. So dx integral 0 to 1 dx by 1 minus x power minus 2. So the 1 minus x power 2. So the same thing holds. So now we will see for lambda is equal to 1, I1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx by 1 minus x, and k1 equal to integral 1 to infinity dx by x. So this is equal to log x, limit 1 to infinity. So this is equal to infinity, that is not finite. And here, so integral of dx by 1 minus x, so this will be minus log 1 minus x. So the limit is 0 to 1, so this is minus, so log 0 minus log 1, so log 1 is 0, so log 0 is not defined, so this is not defined. Therefore this implies for lambda is equal to 1, I lambda and k lambda are not convergent. So the option, so there exists lambda such that neither I lambda nor k lambda converges. So now we will see the case for lambda is equal to 2. For lambda is equal to 2, we have I2 is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx by 1 minus x 2, and k2 is equal to integral 1 to infinity dx by x square. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus x power minus 2 dx. So when we integrate this one, so 1 minus x power minus 3 divided by minus 2 plus 1, so this will be so minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, so minus 1 into, for this minus x we have minus 1, so the limit is 0 to 1, so this is equal to 1 minus x power minus 1 divided by 1, so the limit is 0 to 1, so this is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x, so 0 to 1, so we have 1 by 0 minus 1, so this is equal to infinity, not finite. So now we will see here, so this is equal to integral 1 to infinity x power minus 2 dx, so integration will be x power minus 1 divided by minus 1, so this is 1 to infinity, so this is nothing but minus 1 by x, so the limit is 1 to infinity, so 1 by infinity it's 0 minus 1, so this is equal to 1, so this is equal to finite. So the conclusion is, for lambda is equal to 2, I lambda is not convergent, but k lambda is convergent. Therefore, so based on this, so there exists lambda such that k lambda converges but I lambda does not converge. So based on these computations, so we can see that there exists lambda such that I lambda k lambda both convergent is not true. So this is false. So therefore the correct options are option 1, 2 and 4. If you like the content of this video, kindly like and share with your friends. Also subscribe our channel. Thank you.